In this step-by-step video, I'll show you how to message someone on TikTok. Firstly, open the TikTok app and then locate the video you want to share. You can browse your feed or use the search button at the top to find the specific content. This video is just to share, so you can choose any random video. On the video page, tap the share button, which is usually an arrow pointing right, located on the right side of the screen. In the Send to pop-up window, tap the users you want to share the video with. Selected users will have the check mark on their profile icon. Tap on Write a message and enter any text you want to include with the video. And once you've composed your message, tap Send to share the video and message with your selected recipients. And that's it, you've successfully shared the video and sent a message on TikTok to someone. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.